Hello friends, so today in this video we are going to see top 65 question of World Geography part 2. So let's get started with question number 1, which is known as the laughing jack of Australia. Answer: Kookaburra. The capital of Rwanda is Kigali. Which country is known as Land of Thunderbolt? Answer: Bhutan. The capital of East Timor is Dili. Which is also known as Eternal City? Answer: Rome City in Italy. The dark continent is answer Africa. Rand is the currency of answer South Africa. Which is the largest museum in the world? The Louvre in Paris, France is the largest museum in the world. Kimono is dress style of which Asian country? Answer Japan. What do you mean by density of population? Answer: number of people lived in per square kilometer. Where is the largest metals trading center? Answer: in London. Which country is famous for rubber plantation? Answer: Thailand. Thailand produces 4.37 million metric ton in 2020. What is the capital of Uganda? Answer: Kampala is the capital of Uganda. Which country is dependent for raw material for its iron steel industry? Answer: Japan. Which country is the largest producer of uranium in the world? Answer: Kazakhstan. Kazakhstan produces 40.57% of world's uranium. The largest producer of gold in the world is China. China produces 380 tons in 2020. Busiest and most important sea route of the world is North Atlantic Sea Route. The largest opium industry in the world is Afghanistan, Pakistan and in Iran. The largest producer of world's mica, India. India is the largest producer of world's mica. Which country has highest percentage of land under cultivation? Answer: India. 57% under cultivation. The leading producer of aluminium in the world is China. Leading producer of rice in the world is China. The greatest producer of apples in the world is China. Detroit, USA is famous for which industries? Automobile industries. Trans-Siberian Railway terminal is run between Moscow and Vladivostok. So guys, if you like my video, so do like, comment and share, and please subscribe the channel. In which nation is Mongia port situated? Bangladesh. Which country is largest producer of timber? Answer: United States of America. The most populous and oil-rich country in Africa is Nigeria. To reach from Kanyakumari to Colombo, one has to cross answer Gulf of Mannar. Japan's famous shipbuilding industries are located at Kobe. The largest producer of wool in the world is answer Australia. The Daocheng Yeding Airport is located in China. The Maasai is a primitive tribe of Tanzania. Which country is the major producer of sugar? Answer is Brazil. Which country is the largest producer of coffee in the world? Answer Brazil. Best variety of world's cotton is known as Egyptian cotton. Major Southwest Asian oil fields are located in shore region of Persian Gulf. Which country is called the breadbasket of the world? Answer United States of America. Which country has no mineral deposit? Switzerland has no mineral deposit. Which country contribute the maximum to the world's diamond supply? Answer Russia and Botswana. Largest producer of bauxite in the world is Australia. Which is the world's largest mining port? Answer Port Hedland. Which is the major copper producing country? Chile. Birmingham in UK is famous for iron and steel industry. Biggest oil spill in the world history took place in the answer South China Sea. Which country is known as sugar bowl of the world? Answer Cuba. Which is the world's highest road pass accessible on a motor vehicle? Answer Khardungla. The biggest reserves of thorium are in India. One of the leading producers of asbestos in the world are Russia. The country which tops in the production of cocoa is answer Ivory Coast and Ghana. The term kraal is used for fenced villages of Maasai herder. Which country does not have border with India? Answer Sri Lanka. What is the name of the deadly volcano in Indonesia? Answer Mount Singabang. Name the sea whose boundaries touch three continents. Answer Mediterranean Sea. Two countries connected by a tunnel under the sea are England and France. Which countries are separated by Palk Strait? Answer India and Sri Lanka. Which countries are separated by the 49th parallel? Answer USA and Canada are separated by the 49th parallel. What is the new name of the old colony of Northern Rhodesia? Zambia. Zambia is the new name of the old colony of Northern Rhodesia. Which country is known as the cockpit of Europe? Answer: Belgium. Which country is known as the land of thousand lakes? Answer: Finland. Nippon is a name given to Japan which means land of the rising sun. Male or Male is the capital of Maldives. The city of Rome is situated on the bank of river Tiber. Which regions is referred to as Garden of Eden as mentioned in Bible? Answer: Kutch region of South Iraq. The world's wettest continent is South America. South America is world's wettest continent. So guys, if you like my videos, do like, comment and share to my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon to get the latest notification of my video.